Hello guys, welcome to Tech for Tech. Please subscribe my tech channel and press the bell icon. Hello guys, I hope you're fine. Today I will teach you how to convert this image to cartoon image. You can select any image, but please make sure that the size of the image 2000 is and must be present in the image, the height of it. Okay. So now we will start, and first of all the big rule of Photoshop, make a copy of the original layer, then make a selection of the object. You can do the selection with quick selection tool or magnetic lasso, any, but I will use select something because the background is plain and there is no detailing. Beautiful selection, you can see. Now I will make a mask of it by clicking on the mask option. Now I will select the mask it. You can select any view, but I will select the black one so that it's easy for me to see. We can 36. I think 36 is the best. 36 and feather 0 is okay, and contrast 34% and shift edges 0. Opacity default 50 is okay. Okay, and then we will select the background layer and adjustment layer, and then solid color I will select the white one. Okay, and then I will grab a pen tool, convert this and this is the default path, convert this to shape, and remove strokes and select the color as you wish. I have selected 4F29. Okay, give a wavy effect. If you are an Illustrator user, then you must know that the pen tool of Photoshop is very different from the pen tool of Illustrator. Looking beautiful. And after drawing the wavy shape, we will select these 3 layers and then convert them to smart objects. And then we will select the layer 1 and we will duplicate it 2 times. And after selecting then we will select the layer 1 and hide the other ones, and then we will go to filter gallery and under the heading of artistic we select poster images, then we will see the values 0, 0 and 2. Okay, and afterwards it is a smart filter as the object is smart. We'll see the same layer selected, and then filter, sharp, very sharp mask, and we will take the amount 90%, radius 5, and threshold 10. Okay, and after this and we have to apply the oil paint filter, but as in many Photoshop it is not available. So today I will also tell you a way of alternative to oil paint filter. Okay, so first of all we will apply smart sharpen. Yes, I will select the value of 240 and the default values are there. Okay, and after it will take some time as we have applied many filters before this. And then we will first we will go to stylize, diffuse, and then anisotropic. We'll select the anisotropic, and then we'll go to image rotation, and we'll select the 90 degree clockwise. As I told you that it will take some time, as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 filters are already applied, and then again we will apply the diffuse. Okay, and then we will again rotate the image and clockwise, filter, diffuse. Okay, then again we will rotate the image. It will take some time. If you want to watch anything regarding this effect or anything regarding Photoshop, you will comment below on the video, and please subscribe my channel for more tutorials and more reviews of mobile devices. Okay, now we will again apply the diffuse, and then the smart shot. 240 same values, and not too much time. Now you can see that. Finally we have applied few 3 times, and smart shop using after each filter. And afterwards, after this, we will apply unsharp mask. Unsharp mask with values 60% amount, and radius we can keep the same, and 5% threshold. Okay, and after this we will go to second layer, make it visible, and we will again select filter gallery, and most of edges, and 0, 3 and 6. Okay, and after this we have to do oil paint on this, so we'll again repeat the same process. During this time we will only apply the diffuse filter 4 times. Last time we applied 8 times, but this time only 4 times. Smart filters, make sure that you have enough RAM available. Minimize or close all your other apps, then use it, otherwise it will be more slow. Filter, diffuse. Okay, and then filter, sharpen, smart sharpen, same values. Okay, finally you can start this. Now select the blend mode overlay. Okay, unhide the last layer. Before unhiding, let's choose the opacity to 45%. Okay, and then on the last layer, select the last layer, and let's change this name to high base, and second layer name to outlines, and the first layer name to effects. Okay, now select the third layer, make it visible, and filter, After this, IPS, and we'll make sure the value is 2. Okay. And after this, select all layers and select the blind over. Okay. Now I think you see that. Do it. Now let's give it the final touches to it. Add this one here. Nice. Add levels to it. And as you wish. And we are converting to cartoon image. Go for a darker side. Okay, that's perfect. And then I will choose vibrance. You can adjust the vibrance saturation according to yourself and your image. I will increase the vibrance a little bit. And again, I would suggest you will go for darker side. Okay. And after this, add the color lookup. Color lookup. Go for green stripe. And green opacity 25%. I will not use, make it 50%. Okay. Now group all the layers. Select them. Name it. Cartoon. Okay. Done it. Now let's say before and after. What was it and what it is now? So please, I will say that please subscribe my channel and Tactful Tag, and please like my video and comment on the comment section if you have any queries about this video, and we will make it in the next video. For this time, bye.